Okay, this is how you would solve number one. First, you would start off using law of sines to find this angle measurement. So you would do sine of 30 degrees over 5 equals sine of A over 1. And then you would multiply sine of 30 by 1, which is just sine of 30. So sine of 30 over 5 equals sine A sine of 30 over 5 equals 0.1 sine of A. Now you're trying to solve for A, so you do the inverse sign. So A equals sine 0.1 which equals 5.73 degrees. And then from there you can add these two and subtract from 180. Which equals 144.27 degrees. And you can add all these up and they will all equal 180. And knowing that, over here A equals 5.73. So on our other triangle, B is given, so it's 30 degrees. And you would find the A on the other triangle by doing 180 minus the A on this triangle, which equals 174.27. These two are greater than 180, so that means that there's only one triangle. And we still need to find this side, side C, so we can do another law of sines. Sine of 30 over 5 over sine of 30 equals C over sine of 144.27. So 5 times sine of 144.27 degrees over sine of 30 equals C. So if you solve this out, then you get C. Which equals 5.83 units. And that is your answer for number one. Okay, now we're going to be finding the perimeter of triangle ABC using what we're given. So we could find the length of here by doing tangent of 30 degrees equals opposite over adjacent, so 1 over x, and flip this around to x equals 1 over tangent of 30 So this side equals 1.73, and since this is a bigger right triangle, you could find this length here by doing wait, this is 40, I forgot to write that. 40 plus 90 minus 180. So this equals 50 degrees up here. All of angle B for the big triangle is 50 degrees. And knowing that, we can do tangent of 40 equals opposite over adjacent, which is, in this case, opposite is 1.73 over x, which would be this total length from C to A. So x equals 1.73 divided by tangent of 40. This total length here is 2.06, and we could use Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse. So 2.06 squared plus 1.73 squared equals c squared. And this side equals 2.69 units, and for your perimeter you would add all these up, so 2.69 plus 1.73 plus 2.06 equals 6.48 units for the perimeter. And that's number 2.